Hello everyone, my name is Sam and today I'm going to be showing us how to easily add titles to your edit in DaVinci 18. So let's say you're done editing your stuff. I've just got a couple of stock footages here which I'm going to use for this exercise. So now we're done editing and we want to add titles. So the first thing you need to do is to come to this side of your page. So you see here you've got media pool, you've got effects, you've got index, you've got sound library. So to add titles, you need to come here where you have effect and you click it and you have this column here opened up for you. You've got toolbar, video transitions, audio transitions, titles, generators, effects, open effects, filters, audio effects, and a lot of other effects. But this is where we're coming to. This is where we need to be, as you can see, titles. Okay, and then here you see we've got different titles here. We've got the normal standard titles, and then we've also got the fusion titles. When you hover around it, it shows you on your program screen how the title is going to display on your edit. So we're just going to choose a simple one. Let's use this one. So you're just going to drag it and drop it where you want to put it. So let's say I want mine to be here and I drop it there. When you play, this is what you get. You can see the title, it's right there. Okay, so now let's full screen this. Okay, let's go into edit this title. Okay, so in order to edit this, you come to the top right side where you have inspector, and once you click it, it opens this page for you. So you can see right here, this is where you can edit your title in DaVinci. So here you're going to come here. This is where you start. You click here and you highlight it. Let's change the title to Animal Farm. Yeah, let's say Animal Farm. Okay. So yes, that now you've done that. When you come here to see what you've done, when you play it, you see our title changes to Animal Farm. We can still decide to edit this if you want to edit it. So here you can change your font type. As you can see, there's a lot of default font in DaVinci. Here you can change them to suit whatever need. You can change them to suit whatever you want to go for. So I'm just going to go for Arial. Okay, so I've got that. And then regular here, you can decide to make it bolder, make it italics or bold italics. Okay, so I'm just going to use bold. Now you can see. So here you edit it. You can also change your color if you want to. When you click it, this door here opens, and then you can just drag it to wherever you want it to go and choose whatever color. You can OK it, and then here you can change the size. You know, there's a lot of things which you can do. If you want it to fill your screen, you can adjust the size, and when you play it, this is what you see. Okay, you can also adjust the tracking. You see what it does, it expands it. So let's say if you put it somewhere here, look at what happens to your edit. So it opens it up, right? So you want your tracking to be at a minimal point so that you can see all your fonts. And then you've got a lot of things there. Position, if you want to change it, you change everything. Your line color here, it's blue, which is this. You can decide to change it to whatever color you want to change it to, as you can see. So yeah, it's got different settings, and then when you come here to setting, this is where you can also make it bigger or smaller. You know, your position, you can change it left or right, or you use this to go up and down. And then if you want to take it back to the default position, all you need to do is to come here and you just click it and it goes back to the default position. As you can see, you click it, it goes back to the default position. So there's a lot of settings here. I would advise you just try them out and see what it does. And depending on the title which you're using, it gives you different editing options. You know, if we decide to change it and use maybe let's use a simple one, a custom text. Now if I bring this here, see what it does. It doesn't move, nothing happens, but you can decide to edit it to taste. Here we give it the same title, Animal Farm. Right. When I play it, you see it's just there. So I can do whatever I want to do with this. I can increase the size, I can also, when I come here, so I can decide to keyframe it and add a little bit of motion to it. So I come to the beginning of the clip and I use the zoom. I make it little and I put my keyframe here. I start there and I move my cursor to the end of the clip, and then I zoom it out to here, and immediately I leave it. DaVinci automatically adds a keyframe out for me. So when you play, this is what you get. See, so you can play around this, use whatever title you want to use here, and just come to the setting, to the inspector tab there, and play with the setting. So that's a simple way you add title to your edit in DaVinci. Thank you very much. Please make sure you subscribe to this page for more tutorials. Thank you.